Today we are going to learn 8th standard numbers exercise 1.4 fifth sum. Find the square root by prime factorization method. So first question 144, 7 twos are 14, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, balance 1, so it becomes 12, 6 twos are 12. Now 1 twos are 2, balance 1 becomes 16, 8 twos are 16. Next by second table 9 twos are 18, third table 3 threes are 9, 1 threes are 3. So 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we are dividing the numbers into pair. So 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square, 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square, 3 into 3 can be written as 3 square. We can separate the roots and we can write like this. Square and the root, therefore the square and the root get cancels. So remaining is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. So when you multiply 12 two times, that is 12 into 12, your answer will be 144. Therefore the square root of 144 is 12. The second question 256. 256, second table 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, balance 1 becomes 16, 8 twos are 16. Next 6 twos are 12, 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4, 1 twos are 2, balance 1, therefore it becomes 12, 6 twos are 12, 8 twos are 16, 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4, 1 twos are 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 twos are there. Now we can divide them into pair. 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square, 2 square, 2 square into 2 square. Now we can separate the root and we can write down. Now the 2 and the root get cancels. Square and the root get cancels. Therefore remaining is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. Therefore the square root of 256 is 16. When you multiply 16 2 times into 2, it's not into 2, 2 times 16 into 16, your answer will be 256. Third Roman letter question is 784. 784 by second table 3 twos are 6, balance 1, 18, 9 twos are 18, 2 twos are 4. So 1 twos are 2, balance 1, 9 twos are 18, balance 1, 6 twos are 12. 9 twos are 18, balance 1, 8 twos are 16. 4 twos are 8, balance 1, 9 twos are 18. 7 sevens are 49, 1 sevens are 7. So your answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now you can divide the numbers into pair. 2 into 2 can be 2 square, 2 square, 7 square. Now we can separate the root and we can write down square root, square root, square root get cancels. So 2 into 2 into 7, 2 twos are 4, 4 sevens are 28 is your answer. Now your fourth question 1156. So 1156 by second table 5 twos are 10, balance 1, 7 twos are 14, balance 1, 8 twos are 16. Again by second table 2 twos are 4, balance 1, 8 twos are 16, balance 1, 9 twos are 18. Next by second table, third table, everything it is not possible. It is possible only by 17. 17s are 289. So 117s are 17. So 1156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 17 into 17. Now we can divide the numbers into pair. That is 2 into 2, 2 square, 17 into 17, 17 square. Now we can separate the root and we can write down square and the root get cancels. So remaining is 2 into 17. So 2 into 17 is 34. Therefore the square root of 1156 is 34. Now your fifth question 4761. 4761 by third table 1 threes are 3, Balance 1, 5 3s are 15. Balance 2, 8 3s are 24. Balance 2, 7 3s are 21. Again by 3, 5 3s are 15. 2 3s are 6. Balance 2, 9 3s are 27. So 529 can be written as 23 23s are. Now we can write the numbers. Square root of 3 into 3 into 23 into 23. 3 into 3 can be written as 3 square. 23 into 23 can be written as 23 square. Now we can separate the root and we can write down square and the root get cancelled. Square and the root get cancelled. Therefore 3 into 23, 69. Square root of 4761 is 69. A sixth question, 9025 by fifth table, 1 5s are 5, balance 4, 8 5s are 40. Now we are going to take a single digit number 2 which is less than 5. So we need next number. So we'll write here 0 so that the number becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. 3 5s are 15, balance 3, 6 5s are 30, 1 5s are 5. 361 can be written as 19 19s are. So 9025 is 5 into 5 into 19 into 19. Now dividing into pair, 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square. 19 into 19 can be written as 19 square. Now the square root get cancels. Remaining is 5 into 19. 5 into 19 is 95. Therefore, the square root of 9025 is 95. Thank you children. Any doubt? Please comment.